Do not rely on YouTube auto captions. If you're not a native English speaker, it even gets worse. Now, this is how we are going to edit the auto-generated captions by YouTube to make sure that it is showing exactly what you're speaking in your video. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your YouTube channel and then go into the YouTube studio. Now, make sure that you're logged into your Google account to be able to access the channel. Once you're in the YouTube studio, you're going to look at one piece of content that has already been created before, and then we see if we can edit the captions. Now let's say we pick this for instance, and then we have to click on the edit button here. When we click on the edit button, once a video is uploaded, the only place you can access the captions is on the right hand side, the subtitles. Then now we are going to click on this button here to edit the subtitles. If we go through this, you notice that this is just content that was auto generated. It doesn't have any specific format. It's all just the way it was created. Now if you check through this, some words may not be as you said them, and now you'll need to slowly go into this here and try editing each piece that you think is not correctly placed. So let's have a look at this. For instance, we can always edit such things. Some grammar, we can make sure that every new sentence stands in caps for those who prefer looking at the captions as the video plays. So if we try playing this video here, you notice that these are the words on the screen, as you can see here. So sometimes you find that the words that have been said here are not correct. Now, to understand why this is important, we're going to go into one of the videos that has a high number of views and see how many people use captions for when they are viewing the video. So let's go back into the content list, and then you're going to find a video that has high number of views like this here, and then we go into the analytics, and then into the analytics we are going to check through some of these features here. Let's say reach. We have the reach, and we scroll down. There's a place where you're going to find the type of people watched with the captions on. Now here, so you see here, title CC languages. Those who watched with no subtitles were 98%, but those who watched with English were 1.3%. Now, you don't want to miss or ignore this 1.3% of your total viewers. So even if you have 100,000, it means that 1.3% is more than 1,000 people watched with subtitles. So you have to try and understand that this is very important, and that's why you need to edit your captions after they are auto-generated, or if you can, write your own captions and add it to the caption section of this video when you are uploading it, or later after you've uploaded it. If you find this content useful, like it, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.